Good morning students. Last class we discussed about vertically opposite angles and complementary, supplementary, linear pair. Today we will discuss some problems like find the value of A. Find the value of A. See, they given here. Do this only. This is A and here they given 45, 43 degrees, 43 degrees. This is one diagram and the next diagram is this is A here 63 degrees and one more diagram they given here. Okay, now see the diagrams here. These two are vertically opposite. These two are vertically opposite. Now only we know before this axiom. Before only we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here A is equal to 43. 43 is equal to A. So therefore A is equal to 43 degrees. A is equal to 43 degrees. And here complete angle in one total rotation means complete angle means 360 degree. So 360 degree means 209. This angle is 209. This is 90 degrees and this is A. So three angle total angles adding means 360 degrees. So 209 plus 96 plus A is equal to 360 degree. Complete angle means 360 degree. Both add 15, okay, 10, 3, okay, both adding means 209 plus 96, both adding means 305. 305 plus A, 305 plus A is equal to 360 degree. A is equal to 360 minus 305 means 55 degree. 55 degree. You want to means add here 209, 55 and 96, 20, okay, and here 16, 360. Total 360 degree. Complete angle means total 360 degrees. And here these two angles are vertically opposite. So A is equal to, therefore A is equal to 100 degree. 100 degree. Here therefore A is equal to 55 degree. And here A plus 63 are called complementary. So A plus 63 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, A plus 63 is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree, and then subtraction should do 7 to 27. 27 you want means add this two, we will get 90. Therefore A is equal to 27. Therefore A is equal to 27. Here see, these are linear pair. Linear pair means A plus 50 is equal to A plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Straight angle 180 degree. Then A is equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degrees. Therefore A is equal to 130 degrees. These are all are finding the values of A. These are all are finding the values of A. Okay. Like this, few problems are there in exercise also. Like this, same complementary and supplementary means like linear pair and vertically opposite angles also are there in exercise. You should try. And next in this, and next already we discussed here. What we discussed means vertically opposite angles are equal, angles intersecting lines vertically opposite angles are equal, and next complete angle means we will get 360 degree. 360 degree. See for example here like this, total complete angle, complete rotation, 12 o'clock to rotation completed. Total means what we are saying, complete angle, saying complete angle. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 complete angle, one complete rotation completed means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Otherwise see, like this taking means total complete rotation 1 2 3 4, one complete rotation means each are right angles here, all are right angles only. Here 90 degree, here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree, all right angles only. So 90 90 90 90. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal, angle 1 all are right angles only, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Otherwise see 180 180 180 180 360 degrees. 360 degrees. And next see, in exercise, now we will go for exercise 4.2. We will go for exercise 4.2. We will go for exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 first problem. What they given here? They given okay, and here they given x degree, here z degree, and here y degree, and here common vertex is, here vertex is O, and these are AB, CD, EF. In this diagram, they are asking here, find the values of x, y, z. Find the values of x, y, z. They given in the given figure. In the given figure, they given AB, CD, EF, both all are intersecting here, one here. Okay, after that, find the values of x, y, z. Here they given here x is to y is to z. X is to y is to z. They given in the given figure. In the given figure, ratio x is to y is to z, x is to y is to z is equal to 2, 3, 5. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Given ratio x is to y is to z is equal to 2, 3, 5. And we know these all are complete angle, all complete angle only. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle means here x means here also x only, here y means here also y only, here z means here also z only. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then see, here x, here also x, here y, here also y, here z, here also z. Then x complete angle means complete angle is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. See, x means x plus x plus x plus y plus y, z plus z is equal to 360 degree. How many x? 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 360 degrees. All here 2 common we should do. 2 of x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. 2 here multiplication, they are going means x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equal to 360 by 2. 2 1 are 2 180 are. So x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Then here 3 angles adding means, so x, y, z 3 angles adding means 180 degree. Then we want x is equal to, x degree is equal to x ratio 2 by sum of ratio. Sum of ratio means 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. So 2 by 10 into 180 degrees. 0 0 went to 18 2 36 degree. Like that only y is equal to 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into 180 degree. 0 0 went to 54 degree. Like that only z is equal to 5 by 10 into 180. 0 0 went to, see, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. All values adding means we are getting total 180 degree. Total 180 degree. So vertically opposite angles, first of all we took this axiom, vertically opposite angles. So this one x means this one also x only, this one y means this one also y only, this one z means this one also z only. So vertically opposite angles. And after we know complete angle means 360 degree. Complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Then 2 x values, 2 y values, 2 z values, all adding means 360 degree. Then we got x value is equal to 36 degree, y value is equal to 54 degree, z is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. In exercise 4.2, this is first problem completed. Next class we will discuss remaining problems. Thank you children.